Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into why you need castor oil for a clean stomach. If you're curious about natural remedies, stick around because this is going to be good. And don't forget, I've got the top-rated castor oil link for you in the description below. First up, let's talk about what castor oil actually is. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant, this oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative. It's a powerhouse when it comes to boosting digestion and relieving constipation. So how does it work? Castor oil contains racinoleic acid, which helps to stimulate the muscles in your intestines. This can help to promote bowel movements and cleanse your stomach. It's like giving your digestive system a fresh start, but wait, there's more. Besides its laxative properties, castor oil can also help reduce inflammation in your gut. This is particularly beneficial for those struggling with conditions like IBS or Crohn's disease. By soothing the digestive tract, castor oil can help to alleviate discomfort and improve your overall gut health. Now you might be wondering, how do I use castor oil? It's pretty simple. Just take 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Make sure to follow it up with a glass of warm water to help it go down smoothly. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. And as promised, if you're looking for the best castor oil, check the link in the description below. It's top-rated and trusted by many. So, if you're looking for a natural way to clean your stomach and boost your digestive health, give castor oil a try. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and check out that link for the top-rated castor oil on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.